and welcome to Learn Maths with Bola. Today we'll be solving together. The table below gives the frequency distribution of marks obtained by a group of students in a test. If the mean is 5, calculate the value of x, we'll find the mode and median score of the distribution, and if one student is selected at random, find the probability that he scored at least 7 marks. So we've been given the distribution. So let's solve together. We are given that the mean of the distribution is 5 and we need to calculate the value of x. So the mean is sum of fx over sum of f. F mean frequency and our x here is the marks according to our question. So we need to calculate the fx, which we'll need to find our x. So let's find fx, and that will be our x. Remember I said x is the mark because in this question we are dealing with marks. So we have 3 times 5, 15. 4 times x minus 1 is 4x minus 4. Then we have 5x, 54, 28, 8. So we'll do ourselves a great good by calculating the summation of our frequency and the summation of our fx. So the summation of the frequency will be 18 plus 2x. That is when we add everything together. And then we have 101 plus 9x when we add everything in the f of x column together. I did this so that we would have an headway easily. So our mean, which is 5, will be equal to summation of fx, which is 101 plus 9x over 18 plus 2x, which is the sum of the frequency. So we have to solve this equation to get our x. So we cross multiply to have 5 into brackets 18 plus 2x equal to 101 plus 9x. So when we expand this, we would have 90 plus 10x equal to 101 plus 9x. Next thing is to collect like terms. So we have to collect like terms, and what we'll do here is bring our 10x minus 9x, and then you have 101 minus 90. Remember I said collect like terms, so the ones that look like x. Then 101 minus 90 will give us 11. So let's continue. We are asked to find the mode, the median score of the distribution. So I've replaced the value of x. So we have a normal table without x, and then you still have the frequency and the f of x. So I've replaced all the values. Now the mode means the number that has the highest frequency, and when you look at it, the mark that has the highest frequency is 5. So the modal score is 5 and the median score is also 5. So when you rank this, the median score is 5. Now we are asked that if one student selected at random, find the probability that he scored at least 7 marks. So when you hear the word at least, that means that the minimum is 7. So after 7 we have 8. So the student scored this. We are asked to find the probability that the student scored 7 or 8 because we don't have 9 marks in the distribution. So we are going to have 4 plus 1, and that is 5, divided by the total number. The total number of students is 40. Is 40. So we have probability that the student scored 7 is 5 over 40. And remember that when you are working with probability, always leave it in the lowest term, and that is 1 over 8. So the probability that the student scored at least 7 marks is 1 over 8. And what that means simply is that out of 8 students, 1 scored 7. So that is the solution to our question. Thank you for watching this tutorial with me, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Remember to follow us on all social media platforms, and remember, mathematics is not difficult. You can always understand it and you can know it better. Thank you. Bye.